And matrix multiplication is actually a good bit more involved on the front end. Okay? When it comes to actually multiplying two matrices together, it's just as easy as everything else before, because you're basically just going to ask the calculator to do it for you, and it will. Right? Alright? But I do want to talk about the dimensional requirement for multiplying two matrices together. You know, if I wanted to add two matrices that didn't have the same dimensions, I couldn't. In fact, and I know you believe me because I never ever lie to you, and I'm never ever wrong about these things, but if I tried, does everyone agree that A and B have different dimensions? And if for some reason I was feeling tricky, I said, what is A plus B? And you tried it on the calculator, calculator says no. Wrong dimensions, right? Dimensions are mismatched. I can't add them together. Okay? So even if I was feeling tricky, I said, hey, what's A plus B on the test? You would say, A plus B D and E. Do we know what D and E means? Have we said that before? Okay, D and E is a very, very common mathematic, it's not an abbreviation, but it's let's call it an abbreviation. It stands for does not exist. Okay, so it would be appropriate to use it here. We're going to use it again shortly when we start talking about multiplying these matrices. We'll use it again when we talk about inverses. We use it in calculus when we talk about some limits. I mean, we use D and E in a handful of places. Here we say these two matrices. The sum of those two matrices doesn't exist.